Hello and welcome to Lots of Food and Barbecue. Today I'm going to try to cook 2 pork steaks in the air fryer. If you want to see that, tag along. Before I start, just a quick shout out for my friend Tom over at Cooking with Tom Tom. Link below. Check him out. He does some really nice stuff. Okay, so this is going to be fairly easy. These are about hand sized. They're fairly small, I would say. 6 ounces each, something like that. I'm going to remove a little bit of the fat on the end here, and then I'm going to use this all-purpose Himalayan salt barbecue rub. But first I'm going to add a little bit of this chili garlic olive oil to them as a binder. It's not going to be that complicated, I wouldn't think. There we go. Safe usage. And then I realized I needed to cook something with it, and I might as well put that in the air fryer as well. So let's do that. I'm going to put this out along the edges. I've got the rack in there. I have no idea if this is going to work. And there we go. So now we just need to turn this thing on. I have no idea how much time I'm going to need. I'm going to put it on the level 4 top and bottom heater. Let's go. Okay, these have been going for 10 minutes, so I'm going to flip them over. It's hot in here anyway. I'm also going to add 2 tomato halves that I seasoned with the same rub as the steak. These are actually starting to look done. It's only been going for about 16 minutes, so I'm going to temp this. It says 75, which is changeable. It's 170. That one is 174, 177, 178. I'm going to take them out and let them rest and finish off the potatoes and tomato. And there we go. Air fried pork chops with mini baked potatoes and a tomato. Some homemade chilimayo sauce. Let's try it out. So let's see if this experiment worked. It's really juicy. It doesn't really have a crust, but of course I didn't sear it in any way. I think it turned out really well. And some smoked cheese on potato with mayo. Couldn't be wrong, could it? No, it couldn't. Thank you for watching. Bye.